Gravity and friction, keeping things in order. Good day kids! Today we are going to talk about the different types of friction. What is friction? Friction is the resistance to the sliding, rolling or flowing motion of an object due to its contact with another object. When a moving object comes in contact with another object, friction is the opposing force that slows or stops the moving object. Without friction, an object would continue to move at constant speed forever. The strength of the force of friction depends on the type of surfaces and how hard the surfaces push together. Rough surfaces produce greater friction than smooth surfaces. Without friction, you could not write, drive a car, or fly an airplane. Why not? There are 4 types of friction. These are rolling friction, static friction, sliding friction, and fluid friction. What do all these things have in common? Those activities is an example of rolling friction. Rolling friction is a friction that occurs between surfaces in motion in which one of the surfaces is a wheel, roller, or ball. Examples of rolling friction when we are riding a bike, which uses tires and ground, bowling, which uses ball and lane. What do all these things have in common? Those are examples of static friction. Static friction is friction that occurs when the surfaces in contact are at rest or not in motion. Examples: a book resting on a desk, a potted plant sitting on a sidewalk. What do all these objects have in common? Those are examples of sliding friction. Sliding friction is friction that occurs when solid surfaces slide over one another. Examples: in writing, we use pencil point and paper. In combing your hair, we use the surface of comb and strands of hair. What do all these things have in common? Those are examples of fluid friction, the force that tries to slow objects down when they move through a liquid or a gas. It's also known as drag or air resistance. All gases and liquids are fluids. An airplane and a swimmer both experience fluid friction. These are some ways to reduce friction. Smooth the surface. Replace rolling with sliding, add oil or another type of lubricants.